Hey there, fellow explorers of knowledge. Welcome back to our channel. I am Guru, and today, we're diving into a game-changing technique that will supercharge your AI interactions, context and examples. Get ready to learn how a touch of context and a sprinkle of examples can elevate your conversation game. Let's jump right into the heart of the matter. Context and examples is like adding seasoning to your prompts. It adds that extra flavor and brings your conversations to life. By providing context and concrete examples in your prompts, you're giving AI the roadmap it needs to deliver responses that match your expectations. Think of it as telling a story with a clear beginning, middle, and end. You set the stage, and AI follows your lead. It's like magic in action. But let's not stop at theory. I've got 3 example prompts for you to try right now. And guess what? They're right there in the video description, ready to spark your AI adventures. Prompt 1. Explain the importance of renewable energy sources. Try this and see the response. Now try out the enhanced prompt. Share insights into why renewable energy sources like solar and wind power are crucial for reducing carbon emissions and promoting sustainability. Did you notice the difference in accuracy? Prompt 2. Tell me about the benefits of mindfulness. Try this out and see the response. Now try out the enhanced prompt. Provide a detailed overview of how practicing mindfulness can enhance mental well-being, reduce stress, and improve focus and productivity. I am sure this output is more relevant to your requirement. Prompt 3. Discuss the impact of artificial intelligence on modern industries. Check this out and see the response. Now try out the enhanced prompt. Delve into how artificial intelligence has transformed various industries such as healthcare, finance, and manufacturing, showcasing examples of automation and data analysis. I couldn't resist trying these prompts myself, and let me tell you, the results were incredible. With context and examples guiding the way, the AI responses were not only accurate but also rich in detail and insights. Ready to embark on your own AI adventure? Look no further than the video description below. You'll find these example prompts waiting for you, ready to help you master the art of context and examples. Remember, fellow learners, context and examples is your secret ingredient for a next-level AI conversation. Give it a shot, and watch your interactions reach new heights of clarity and depth. Stay curious, keep experimenting, and let the power of context and examples be your guiding light in the world of AI. This is Guru, signing off till our next enlightening adventure.